In today's video, I'll teach you how to make a lot of money online by combining Google with a website. Google is a platform that the majority of you use every day. However, not everyone is aware that it might assist you in earning thousands of dollars in passive income. There are no social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, or others involved, and this has nothing to do with selling or marketing anything. It will also work in any country. As a result, you can repeat it as many times as you like. You won't need to take any photos of yourself, and you won't require any additional social media followers. I'll teach you how to do it in less than 10 minutes with a fully free program. We've never used this website before, and it's almost all done for you. With this website, people from all over the world are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, with some even making nearly $500,000. In 2021, this will be a simple way to earn money online. I'll show you the best and most up-to-date platforms for making money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the conclusion if you're interested. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. You'll be compensated in PayPal money using the site that I'll show you shortly. As a result, your initial step is to go to paypal.com and register your own PayPal account. PayPal is used in a variety of nations, which is why I stated that this will most likely work in yours. Now, in order for you to create your own PayPal account, just maneuver your mouse to the upper right portion of the website and click Sign Up. On this page, just select the personal account and click Next. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be selecting an individual seller freelancer and click on Next. On the succeeding page, you'll then simply fill in information such as your first and last name, email address, phone number, and address. And once you've created your PayPal account, you'll be able to receive payments. Therefore, it's time to move on to the second platform. Of course, the platform in question is Google. As I previously stated, we will be paid today utilizing a simple Google technique. Just go to Google and search for things like cute cats, cute dogs, gorgeous landscapes and nature, among other things. You want to locate great-looking images, but here's the catch. You'll want them in a variety of niches, so you'll want photos that aren't all related. When we get to the third platform, I'll show you why that is. As an example, I'll look for cute cats here. When you're on this page, just click on Images. Now, before you download the images, you will first click these tools right here and click on Usage Rights. By doing so, this will pop out. All you need to do is select on Creative Commons licenses. As some of you may have guessed, this is the Google method I mentioned earlier. However, not many people are aware of it. This provides you permission to use any of these photos without restriction. If you've downloaded the photographs earlier and used them, you would have pulled down for copyright violations. But now, you're free to use any of them. From there, all you have to do is find a nice looking photo, seek to pick the best out of them all, and then click on it. Then right-click and download it on your computer or phone. From there, as I mentioned, you'll want to go for something new, such as nature. By the way, have a look at how stunning these photographs are. Once you've found the one you like, right-click it and save it to your phone or computer. Repeat for all of the photographs in whichever topic you'll want till you have approximately 10 images in various niches. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Finally, you'll want to go to clickysnap.com, which I've described numerous times as the site that will truly pay us. When you come to this website, you will see that it pays to share. Sign up and get your content. Your content will be the same photographs you found for free on Google. The following is how it works. When you upload an image to this website, everybody who visits it will see a slew of advertisements on the images page, and the ad money is split between the person who uploaded the photo, which in this case is you. And as a side note, I'm assuming that most of you viewing this doesn't have a camera. But if you are a moderately great photographer with a good camera, it would be a far better alternative to simply shoot the images yourself. This will give your photographs more originality and you'll be doing what you enjoy in the end. With that stated, this platform has been there for a while and wasn't particularly popular not long ago, but for some reason, it exploded and now receives millions of visits. Furthermore, I recall paying considerably less money for every image viewed in the past. As you can see above, it will pay you 70 cents. Although it may appear to be a modest sum of money, believe me when I say it's not. Consider this, if 100 people look at your photo, you've already made $70 in passive income. And this site receives millions of visitors, so you're very certain to get some substantial views at the very least. So now is the best moment to join this website and take advantage of the fact that it has become so popular. It has begun paying more for images. In any case, you may find more information about the payment on this website. As you can see, the minimum payment is $15, which isn't the lowest, but it's not horrible either. Now, before we move on to the site, I'd like to show you some figures that you can see on this platform called similarweb.com, which I've mentioned before. Over 1 million people visited Click-a-Snap in the last week. You simply upload the images and that's it. As you can see, even if we're being ridiculously conservative, this website can still make you thousands of dollars. All you need to do on this platform to start making money online is to click this button right here where it says sign up for free. By doing so, you will be redirected to this platform wherein you can continue via Google, Facebook, or Twitter, which is faster. Alternatively, you may also click this register button right here and enter the necessary pieces of information. Now, once you sign up, there is a catch that I must tell you about this site. It's not completely free, but have a look at this. All you have to do to get paid for views is invest £2 in the site, which is just under $3 for a month. Whereas you can make thousands of dollars in that period. I understand that this is a disappointment for many of you, but I can guarantee you that investing such a modest amount of money in this site will be well worth it. Once you've done that, you can simply utilize Google to post 10 photographs per day. And once you've accumulated a few dozen, you'll be able to earn thousands of dollars in passive income. The site is being discovered by new individuals every day. Some of your older photographs will receive view months after they've been submitted. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.